Hello students, this is our third lecture of kinematics 1D. In first two lectures what we have done, we have discussed about average speed and average velocity. Even we have discussed about instantaneous speed and instantaneous velocity. And in second lecture we have solved number of problems based on average speed and velocity. In today's lecture we will solve problems on instantaneous speed and velocity. There are a number of problems and we will solve some problem from previous JEE exam. See what is given in this problem. The displacement x of a particle along x-axis, means particle is moving along x-axis, is given by x equal to 3 plus 8t plus 7t square, means x is given in terms of time t. Obtain its velocity and acceleration at t equal to 2 seconds. See, particularly at the time instant it is given at 2 seconds. Now what you know, when you know x in terms of time t, how will you get velocity? For that one we will differentiate, right? X is given, that means your velocity v is what? Dx by dt. That means this will be what? D by dt of this 3 plus 8t plus 7t square. Simple, right? What is the differentiation of 3? It is a constant term. Differentiation of constant term is what? 0. Plus differentiation of 8t with respect to time t. So here 8. Differentiation of t becomes 1. 8. Plus differentiation of 7t square is what? 7 into 2t. That means what you are getting here, it is 8 plus 14t. This is what velocity. But this velocity now depends on what? Time t. If we will substitute t equal to 1 second, we will get some value of velocity. At 2 second, velocity different. 3 second, velocity different. But what is asked at 2 second? To simply substitute here, at t equal to 2 second, what is the velocity? V equal to 8 plus 14 into 2. 14 into 2 कितना हो गया? बताओ फटाफट. 28. 28 plus 8, 36. Means here this is 36 meters per second. V is what? 36 meter per second. Clear? Simple. Again you have to find out what? Acceleration at t equal to 2 seconds. Acceleration, if you want to find out, you know v. V is what? V is what? 8 plus 14t. Yeah? 8 plus 14t. This equation already you are getting. To find out acceleration, we differentiate it. A is what? dv by dt. If we differentiate velocity with respect to time t, you will get acceleration. Differentiation of 8 is what? 0. This will be what? 14. It is independent of time. That means any time instant, if it is asked, find what? Acceleration at t equal to 1 second, 2 second, 3 second. It is independent of time t. That means your acceleration at 2 second will be what? At t equal to 2 second, acceleration is what? 14 meter per second square. So first answer is of velocity, that is 36 meter per second. Next is what? 14 meter per second. Now we'll solve next question. See what is given in this question. The displacement x of a particle at time t along a straight line is given by x equal to alpha minus beta t plus gamma t square. That means x is given in terms of time t. Find acceleration of the particle. At what time instant is not given. That means we have to find out this acceleration in terms of time t, so that any time instant is given, we will substitute. That means it is simple. X in terms of time hai. Now you know what? First we will write given equation. X equal to alpha minus beta t plus gamma t square. Velocity if you want to find out, because acceleration when you want to find out, first we will get velocity. Again we will differentiate velocity, we will get what? Acceleration. So v is what? Velocity is what? Dx by dt. Here you have to concentrate. Alpha is what? Constant, beta constant and gamma constant. Differentiation of constant term 0. Minus beta t, beta constant, t का differentiation 1, that means minus beta. This one is what? आपका gamma, right? Constant. differentiation of t square is what 2t. That means this will be what 2 gamma t. This is your velocity. Again we will differentiate this velocity with respect to what time t, so we will get what acceleration. Differentiation of constant term जो है ना beta, it is what 0, and this will be what 2 gamma t, so plus 2 gamma, and differentiation of t becomes what 1. That means your acceleration is what? Acceleration is 2 gamma, right? This is what 2 gamma. Clear? This one is our final answer. That means problem एकदम simple है. Basic part you must know कि differentiation of x with respect to what time t is what velocity. If we differentiate velocity with respect to time t, what will get acceleration. But if v is in terms of x, then we have to use maybe a equal to v dv by dx also. That depends on what is given in problem. Okay. Now we'll solve next problem. See what is given in this problem. Yes, here. Position coordinate of a particle which is confined to move along a straight line is given by. That means particle moves along a straight line and its position coordinate where s is given as 2t cube minus 24t plus 6. S is given in terms of time t. When anywhere such s is given in terms of time t, differentiate it with respect to t, d by dt karo, what will get velocity? Velocity if we differentiate, what will get? Acceleration. Now see what is asked in problem. Where s is in meters, t you can say is in second. Determine time required for the particle to reach a velocity of 72 meter per second from the initial condition at t equal to 0. That means this one is possible if you know equation of velocity. Simple. The acceleration of particle when v is 30, that means you must know equation of acceleration also. And the net displacement. Displacement is possible from first part, from this equation. Chalo. Now, first our equation is what? I will start from this one. See here. This visible? Okay. S equal to 2t cube minus 24t plus 6. This is our equation of s. What is required? Equation of velocity, equation of acceleration. We will differentiate this s with respect to what t. That means ds by dt. करो differentiate. तो ये 2 will remain as it is and 3t square, 2 into 3t square. Okay. Next, this will be what? Minus 24. 6 is constant term. Its differentiation is what? 0. So from this one what will get here? V equal to 6t square minus 24. This is equation of velocity. I will give some number. Equation 1. This is equation number 2. Means equation of velocity is ready. If you want equation of acceleration, A, this one will write what? dv by dt. Means we will differentiate velocity with respect to time t. If we will differentiate here, so what will get? 6 into 2 means this will be what? आपका 12t or see here d by dt of 60 square minus 24. Differentiate करो, what will get here? Acceleration equal to, तो constant term है 0 हो जाएगा. 6 into 2 what? This will be what? 12t. So this one is our equation 3. That means now each and everything is ready. Now first part, the time required for the particle to reach a velocity of 72 meter per second from its initial condition at t equal to 0 second. This is possible from this equation. So at t equal to 0, to at what time this velocity will be what? 72. Now when it becomes 72, so from equation number 2, this is your first, you can say first part, that is what? A. Okay. Velocity is given as 6t square minus 24. You have to find out this time t when v is what? 72. Simple. ये 72 हो जाएगा. And 6t square minus 24. तो 6t square equal to 72 plus 24, 96. 96 divided by 6 is what? T square. इसको divide करो, what will get? 6 into 1 3 36 6 है ना. हाँ, T is what? आ गया 4 second. That means at T equal to 4 second, what will get here? Velocity of particle becomes 72 meter per second. First part, simple. The acceleration of the particle when v is 30 meter per second, and okay, the third part. Second part, only acceleration of particle when v is what? 30. Now velocity and acceleration in one equation you don't know. Acceleration is in what equation? In what terms? Time. Velocity is in what terms? Time. When velocity is 30, what is the acceleration? ऐसा कर सकते हैं. Can you find out time instant when velocity is what? 30. ये 30 substitute करेंगे, you will get what? Time t. That time what will get? Will substitute in acceleration equation, you will get what? Acceleration. That means second part जो है B, to find out this one, what will do? Velocity 30, find time instant when v is 30 meter per second. When velocity becomes 30 meter per second, you know equation of velocity. V is what? V equal to 60 square minus 24. V is what? 30 equal to 60 square minus 24. That means 60 square equal to what? 30 plus 20, 54. That means T square is what? 54 by 6, 9. That means T is what? 3 seconds. That means at 3 second velocity is how much? 30 meter per second. You have to find out what? Acceleration of the particle when velocity is 30. A T will substitute in this equation. एक step में आएगा, right? From equation number 3, what is the acceleration? 12t. 12 into 3. How much? 36 meter per second square. Clear? Second part. Now third part of problem. The net displacement of the particle during the time interval from 1 to 4 seconds. For 1 to 4 seconds, what we'll do? We'll find out what is the position. I'll erase this part now. This one. Okay. Yes. Now what is required? Equation of x. X is what? S is here. S is 2t cube minus 24t plus 6. This is equation of S. Find out displacement from 1 to 4 seconds. That means delta S, if you want to find out, it is S4 minus S1. Therefore substitute करेंगे ना. 2 into what? 4 cube minus 24 into 4 plus 6. This is at what time? 4 seconds. Minus at 1 second. ये हो जाएगा आपका 2. ये हो जाएगा minus 24 plus 6. So this will be what? 4 cube. 16 into 4. 2 into 64 minus 96 plus 6 minus 22 and 6 means what? Minus 16 है ना. करेक्ट है ना. देखो 4 क्यूब इज 64, 24 इंटू 4 96, 6 एज इट इज. ये आपका minus 22 and plus 6. Okay. This will be what? 128 minus 90 plus 16. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 38 plus 16, 54 meters. This is your third answer, right? This is your third answer. Clear? That means 1, 2, 3 part. Find out displacement. किधर acceleration निकालना है. Somewhere you have to find out what velocity is. So if you know one equation in terms of time t, right, easily it is possible. Okay, clear? Yes? Okay. Hello. Now we'll solve next problem. See what is given in this problem. The distance x of a particle moving in one dimension is along a straight line under the action of constant force is related to time t by the equation t equal to root x plus 3, where x is in meters. Find displacement of the particle when its velocity is 0. First, what is important, you have to find out displacement. So we'll write equation of x, that will be in terms of time t. Once we'll get this equation in terms of time t, then we'll find out what its velocity will be 0. That means equation of velocity is must. That means our first step is what? T equal to root x plus 3. That means root x equal to what? T minus 3. Squaring. What will get here x? हो जाएगा t minus 3 and its square. That means this will be t square minus 60 plus 9. This is our equation of x. Okay. From this one, is it possible to find out velocity v? V is what? dx by dt. dx by dt. इसको differentiate करेंगे. You know it's very easy, right? Differentiation of t square is what? So this will be 2t. Differentiation of minus 60 is minus 6. और constant term becomes what? 0. That means v is 2t minus 6. Simple. Find the displacement of the particle when its velocity is 0. Now, if we'll substitute this v as 0, we'll get some time instant. And using that time instant, you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds, whatever it may be, right? So, find displacement of particle when its velocity is 0. That means, using that time instant, we'll find out what? Displacement, right? So, first step is what? We'll find the time instant. Find the time instant at which v is what? When its velocity is 0. When v is at which v is 0. That means v equal to 0 equal to 2t minus 6. समझ में आ रहा है ना सबको? Simple. So now 2t 6 means t is what? T is what? 3 seconds. T is what? 3 seconds. Now you have to find out what? What is? Find its displacement. Displacement will get from which equation? That is from equation of Ex. We will substitute here t equal to what? 3 seconds. Therefore displacement is what? Right? Equal to. यहाँ आपका t square minus 6t plus 9. Here we will put t equal to what? 3 seconds. 3 square minus 6 into what? 3 plus 9. What will get here? 9. 3 square is 9. 9 minus 18 plus 9. अरे तो 0 होगा. Displacement is what? Displacement is 0. Where in our first lecture we discussed displacement may be positive, displacement may be negative, displacement may be 0 is also possible. So when velocity is 0, time is 3 seconds, and when t is 3 seconds, what displacement will get is what? 0. Okay? Yes. Now we'll solve next problem. See what is given in the next problem. The acceleration of a particle varies with time t second according to the relation A is what? 60 plus 6. Means equation of acceleration in terms of time t is given. Find the velocity and position as a function of time t. That means it is not asked at particular time instant. At any time instant t, find what? Velocity and position. Simple. Some condition is given. It is given that the particle starts from origin at t equal to 0 with velocity is what? 2 meter per second. That means what is the meaning of this data? What is given in last line? At t equal to 0, it starts from origin, means x or s is 0 and velocity is nothing but what? 2 meter per second. Simply you have to find out equation of velocity and equation of position. Simple. A is what? 6t plus 6. A is in terms of time t. So what will write? A is what? dv by dt equal to 60 plus 6. That means this dv is what? So it is 60 plus 6 dt. Clear? Now we'll integrate it. Integral dv equal to what? Integral 60 plus 6 dt. Limits of integration. So initially when t is 0, velocity is what? It is 2 meter per second. At any time instant t, we will assume velocity is what? V. Now integral of dv is what? V. Varies from 2 to v equal to. This will be what? 6t square by 2 plus by 2. ऐसा mistake नहीं करने का. 60 square by 2 plus 60 varies from what? 0 to t second. If we put upper limit, what will get here? V. Lower limit minus 2. ये 3t square हो जाएगा. Lower limit 0 है. That means this will be what? 3t square plus 60. That means equation of velocity, what will get here is what? 3t square plus 60 plus 2. Say what we are getting equation number 1. Now what you are getting, this one is your answer, equation number 2, and this is nothing but what? Yeah, answer आ गया आपका. Velocity in terms of time. But you have to find out what? Position also. V will write as what? बताओ फटाफट. It is simple now, right? V is what? dx by dt is what? 3t square plus 60 plus 2. Right? That means dx is what? 3t square plus 60 plus 2 dt. इसको integrate करो. Right? That means it is what? T equal to 0. So x is what? 0. Varies from 0 to x. T varies from 0 to t. Integral dx is what? X. Varies from 0 to x equal to integral of 3t square. 3t cube by 3. I will write here t cube. 6t square by 2. Means 6 by 2. 3t square plus. देखो समझ में है ना? 6t square by 2. Means 6 by 2 हो गया. Means what? 3. 3t square plus 2t. Plus 2t. It varies from what? 0 to t. That means this one you can say x minus 0 means what? X equal to t cube plus 3t square plus 2t. This is your final. X in terms of what? Time t. Velocity also in terms of time t. Is this clear? Okay, fine. Yes. Now we'll solve next problem. This is very good problem. See what is given in this problem. First, the acceleration experienced by a boat after the engine is cut off. Acceleration experienced by a boat after the engine is cut off. That means we will say our power boat, right? Then using some engine power is developed and we used to drive it, right? That means engine is on, so that whatever be the resistance, water resistance is developed, right? That one is overcome by that engine power and boat moves in forward direction. But suddenly if we switch off the engine, means engine is cut off, right? That means power developed by that motor becomes 0. That means now what happens? Due to water resistance, speed of boat definitely will decrease. The acceleration experienced by a boat after the engine is cut off is given by dv by dt means what? Acceleration. Negative आ गया. Minus means what? Speed will decrease, right? Minus k into v cube, where k is what? K is constant. And v naught is magnitude of velocity at cutoff. That means at the instant when engine is cut off, velocity is what? V naught. Okay. Find the magnitude of the velocity at time t after the cutoff. That means generally in terms of time t, what will be velocity at any time instant t? Simple. Okay. Now what will do? Condition, you know, when time t is 0, at the instant when engine is cut off, that means when time t is 0, velocity is what? V naught, right? At t equal to 0, velocity is what? V naught, right? We will use this one when we will integrate it and we will substitute some limits. Now what equation you know for this acceleration, that is dv by dt is what? Minus kv cube. Now from this equation, which is equation of basically acceleration, we'll write equation, we'll find out equation of velocity in terms of t. But ये dv इधर है, v cube इधर है, that means we'll change the position. V cube if we'll keep on left side, so it becomes v cube minus 3 है ना, that means v minus 3 dv equal to minus k dt, correct. Now if we'll integrate it, so what we'll get here, this will be t will vary from 0 to t and this will be v naught to v, correct. Now v raised to minus 3, that means if we will integrate, so this will be what, v raised to minus 2 upon minus 2 varies from v naught to v equal to, this will be minus k, integral of dt is a t varies from 0 to t. This one clear, simple है. v minus 3 v power minus 3 dv, तो minus 3 plus 1 करेंगे divided by minus 3 plus 1, integration में power will increase by 1. Now here if I'll write it like this, minus half I'll take common, minus half. Now v raised to minus 2 है, upper limit if we'll substitute, so what will get, v raised to minus 2, lower limit if we'll substitute, minus v naught, ये minus 2, correct. Just upper limit minus lower limit, I not done nothing special, right, anything special, is simple. Minus k equal to minus k t minus 0, minus minus cancel हो जाएगा. Now this one v raised to minus 2, that means can we say minus minus cancel, what will write, half, or minus minus cancel 2 I will write on right side, ये इधर आ जाएगा 2kt, clear. This 2 is on right side, minus minus cancel. 1 upon, can you write this one as what, 1 upon v square minus 1 upon v naught square, v raised to minus 2. What is the asking problem? Find magnitude of velocity at any time instant t. ठीक है, that means at any time instant you are interested in what, v. If you want to find out, I'll take this term on right side, है ना, simple. ये राइट साइड में लेके जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, 1 अपॉन वी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन वी नॉट स्क्वायर प्लस 2kt. चलो इसको सॉल्व करते हैं ना, 1 प्लस इधर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा 1 प्लस 2kt वी नॉट स्क्वायर अपॉन वी नॉट स्क्वायर इक्वल टू व्हाट, 1 अपॉन वी स्क्वायर. I think 1 upon v square is this value, that v square will be what, numerator becomes denominator, denominator numerator है ना, that means v square is what, v naught square upon 1 plus 2kt v naught square. Now we'll take root, तो ये हो जाएगा v naught and this will be what, root of 1 plus 2kt v naught square. What is the asking problem? Find what? Velocity at any time instant t, and that one definitely will get in terms of initial velocity because initial velocity is v naught. Fine, this one clear, simple problem, huh? Okay, now we'll solve next problem. See what is given in this problem. The relation between t and distance x is given as what? T equal to ax square plus bx, where a and b are constant. Okay. Express the instantaneous acceleration in terms of instantaneous velocity. Means a you have to find out in terms of velocity. Problem was asked in AIEEE. Means previously you can say that JEE was AIEEE in 2005. Now this t is in terms of x. Normally what you have done, x in terms of t, v in terms of t, or acceleration in terms of t, but now t in terms of x is given. From this one velocity equation is possible or not. ये जो t है is with respect to x it varies. इसको अगर differentiate किया, right, t with respect to x, dt by dx possible है. dt by dx means 1 upon v. You will get velocity equation and then we will find out what, acceleration. Now see, given equation I will write first one. See, what is given? T is ax square plus bx, equation 1. We'll differentiate this equation, differentiating equation 1 with respect to x. So this will be what? dt by dx. What is the differentiation of ax square? A is constant, means a into 2x, means this will be what? 2ax. B constant, differentiation of bx will be what? Plus b. Simple. Now dt by dx is 2ax plus b. Therefore dx by dt, which is nothing but velocity, is what? तो 1 upon 2ax plus b हो जाएगा. That means can you say it is 2ax plus b raised to minus 1. Is it clear? Differentiating t with respect to x, what will get? dt by dx. But you know velocity क्या रहता है? dx by dt, right? So we'll just change. dx by dt means what? 1 upon dt by dx. So this will be what? v. And v is what? So 2x plus b dt by dx है. So dx by dt is what? 1 upon 2x plus b. That means 2x plus b raised to minus 1. ये आ गए. चलो. Instantaneous acceleration in terms of instantaneous velocity you have to find out. First you must know acceleration. You know a is what? एक तो dv by dt है. But velocity तो in terms of t नहीं है. It is in terms of x. That means one more equation we discuss कि a in terms of x is what? You know a is what? एक तो है आपका dv by dt. Okay. Then this a is also written as what? v dv by dx. Is also written as v dv by dx. That means a is what? v dv by dx. dv by dx means what? Differentiation of velocity with respect to x. Where you know v here, hai? That means here what will do? A equal to v into d by dx of velocity. Velocity is what? 2ax plus b raised to minus 1. Now what will get here? Just see v. Differentiation of this term is what? Minus 1 will get here. This will be what? 2ax plus b power minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Now coefficient of x is what? 2a. That means this will be what? 2a. Clear? That means a is equal to what? So this one is v, minus sign है ना, तो 2av minus 2a into v. 2ax plus b raised to minus 1 is velocity. That means 2ax plus b raised to minus 2. That means this will be what? ये तो आपका v स्क्वायर रहेगा ना, करेक्ट. 2ax plus b raised to minus 1 is what? v. That means 2ax plus b raised to minus 2 means what? v square. क्या हो जाएगा? v cube. And this will be what? A 2a constant. That means a equal to minus 2a v cube. What is asking problem? Acceleration in terms of instantaneous velocity. Acceleration in terms of instantaneous velocity you are getting. Clear? Fine. Any doubt? Simple है, simple. ये minus 1 पावर है तो minus 1 into 2ax plus b पावर 1 से कम होता है. एंड x का कोएफिशिएंट जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आता है. मैथ्स में आपको एकदम सिंपल पार्ट होगा रहेगा, है ना? यस. नाउ विल सॉल्व नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम which was asked in AIEEE 2011. See what is given in problem. An object moving with a speed of 6.25 meter per second is decelerated at a rate given by dv by dt equal to minus 2.5 root v, minus 2.5 root v, where v is instantaneous speed. The time taken by the object to come to rest would be, as it is subjected to deceleration, negative acceleration. dv by dt is acceleration, minus one means it is negative. Initially speed is what? 6.25 and it is subjected to negative acceleration, means deceleration. That means speed will reduce. what you have to find out? Time taken by the object to come to rest. There are 4 options. Now simple, acceleration in terms of v is given. What we'll do? We'll find out equation of velocity in terms of time t, because when velocity becomes 0, at what time it becomes 0 you have to find out. That means relation between velocity and time is expected. Simple. See here. First given equation is what? dv by dt equal to minus 2.5 root of v. Okay. This term of v here, term of v means this term will take on left side. This is nothing but what? Minus 2.5 v raised to half, है ना? Minus 2.5 v raised to half I will write. If I take this term on left side, power क्या हो जाएगा? Negative और डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा. That means power negative. That means v raised to minus half dv equal to what? Minus 2.5 dt. Same thing we had done in previous problem also, if you are recalling, right? Now we'll integrate this equation. इसको अगर integrate करते तो what will get? Integral v raised to minus half dv equal to, this is what? Integral of minus 2.5 dt. This one varies from 0 to t, and this velocity will vary from what? Initially when t is 0, right? Moving with a speed of 6.25. That means when t is 0, ये जो velocity means initial velocity is what? 6.25 meter per second. And you have to find out what? When it comes to rest. That means when t is what? Time is t second. This velocity is what? This will be 0. This one clear. Limits of integration, right? What is given accordingly? Initial velocity 0 नहीं है, 6.25 है at t equal to 0. Find out time t when velocity will be what? 0. Okay. Now we'll integrate it. v raised to minus half है, that means क्या हो जाएगा? Minus half plus 1, तो plus half हो जाएगा, है ना? Simple. Now v raised to half divided by again half, right? Varies from what? 6.25 lower limit है, upper limit is what? 0. Okay, 6.25 to 0. And this is minus 2.5 d हो जाएगा ना? Minus 2.5 d नहीं, t, and varies from 0 to t. तो this one if we'll write here, क्या हो जाएगा? 2 v raised to half. 2 v raised to half varies from 6.25 to 0. अपर लिमिट सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो 0 हो जाएगा, राइट? अपर लिमिट सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे 0 माइनस, अभी लोअर लिमिट विल सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर एज व्हाट? 6.25, राइट? दैट मीन्स सी हियर, दिस वन 2 into v raised to half varies from 6.25 to 0 equal to minus 2.5 t. That will be t minus 0. ठीक है, अभी इधर 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, 0 माइनस 2 इंटू ये 6.25 का हाफ, पावर हाफ, एंड माइनस 2.5 t, करेक्ट? माइनस माइनस कैंसल. This one is 6.25 raised to power half means what? Root of 6.25. Root of 6.25. This one is a square of 2.5. Now that means this one is minus minus cancel. Yeah, 2. This is the root of 6.25 raised to half. Is what? Minus minus cancel. ये 2.5 t होगा. That means this is 2. This will be what? Root of 6.25 is 2.5 equal to 2.5 t. ये तो 2.5 cancel हो गया, right? What will get t equal to what? 2 seconds. एकदम simple, not difficult, है ना? है option 2. Yes, this one is our option. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. This one clear, simple है, not difficult, है ना? Upper limit and lower limit properly what is given, that one will substitute, and then properly solving problems, substituting values, easily answer is possible. Okay, ready for next problem? And this is last problem of this lecture. Problem is from IEEE 07 exam. Now see here what is given. The velocity of particle is v equal to v naught plus gt plus ft square if the position is x equal to 0 at t equal to 0. Initial condition is given. That means a lower limit हो जाएगा, है ना? If we'll integrate t equal to 0, x is 0. Then the displacement after time t, equal to 1 second. When time is 1 second, you have to find out what? Displacement. 4 options are given. Okay. Now what we'll do? Simple. Equation V. V is what? V naught plus GT plus FT square. ये आपका equation number 1. Okay. Now you have to find out displacement. That means V will write in terms of what? X. So what is the option? This will be dx by dt equal to what? Same thing. That means dx equal to V naught plus GT plus ft square, and this term dt is on right side. Okay. Now we'll integrate it. If we'll integrate it, what will get? Dx, dx to what will get? Integral dx equal to integral V naught plus GT plus ft square dt. Correct. Now when t is 0, x is 0, when t is 0, x is 0, and at t equal to, you have to find out at 1 second what is the x displacement at 1 second. Simple. Differentiate, if you will integrate it, not differentiation, sorry, integral of dx is what? X varies from 0 to x equal to, now v naught, integral of v naught with respect to time, v naught t plus gt square by 2 plus ft cube by 3 varies from what? 0 to 1 second limit. This will be what? X minus 0 equal to, now upper limit if you will substitute, this will be what? V naught, t becomes what? 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 हो जाएगा, right? Minus नहीं, plus g by 2, again this is 1 square minus 0 square means 1 minus 0 plus f by 3, this is also 1 minus 0. That means x equal to what? V naught plus g by 2 plus f by 3. This one is your answer. This is which option given in problem? ये नहीं है ना, this one no, हाँ ये है ना, option C is correct. Option C is correct. Now this one last problem we have done. That means we have solved around 10-11 problem, I think so, if I am not wrong. And this one, most of the problems which are asked in previous exams, right? Maybe JEE exam or for in CBSE, or you can say CBSE or our board exam, almost all problems were done, right? So today in this lecture we'll stop here. All the best. Thank you.